Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and this is the Volkswagen Eos Sport Cabriolet, and it is a 1.4 petrol manual. Now, this car is part of our Motor Match approved vehicles, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. So if you like look at this car so far and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, they can give us a call on 01785 899 474. Now in this video today, I'm going to be taking you around a 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior, and then I'm going to get into some of them high-tech features. So starting on your exterior, you have got your daytime running lights, which not only illuminates the road ahead amazingly, but it adds a high-tech feature. Running down the sides, you will be able to see your chrome window surrounds as well as the partitions for the Cabriolet roof. But the most eye-catching feature of your exterior is your 18-inch Kansas alloy wheels, which complement the black exterior colouring fabulously. Going into your interior, now this is a 3-door, so it means you will have to pull either the driver's seat or passenger seat forward to allow access to your rear passengers. But as you can see, they are made out of a full white leather and there is loads of space available. So whether you're a passenger in the front or rear, you will have an enjoyable experience. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle and showing you the vast amount of space available in the boot. The way to open up the boot is to click in the Volkswagen badge and it easily lifts up. Now, as this is a cabriolet, you do have a shelf which needs to be put down when you want the cabriolet roof down as well. But if you want more storage space, all you have to do is lift the shelf up and it gives you that much more available space. So as you can see, large objects like luggage when going away on holiday will comfortably fit in this car. But again, if you do want the cabriolet roof down, you need to ensure that that shelf is put down as well. Some more information about this car is that it's only had 2 previous owners, and you'll be able to see that they have kept it in a superb condition. Going into your interior, you have got that chrome detailing around your vents and also on your dashboard, which brings out the character of the car. Now, just like in the rear seats, you have got the full white leather seating, which just brings all of the little details together as well as providing the utmost comfort. Now, if you don't want the cabriolet roof down, you can also have a sunroof, which allows so much light into the vehicle. Now, that was the end of the 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior. It is now time to get into some of them high-tech features. So going back into your interior and on your driver's side, you can see you've got all electric window controls, which are easily accessible on your driver's door. You've also got a multi-function steering wheel where you can control different aspects of the car all from one place, and all without even needing to take your hands off the steering wheel, ensuring that the driver has full control at all times. Now, on your driver's display, you will be able to see that the car is done at 23,776 miles. Now, mileage shown is subject to test drives and or demonstration miles. Moving on to your main radio display, where all the main features of the car can be controlled. Now, one of these features is your FM and AM radio stations, which give you a huge range of different stations and covers every type of genre of music. You've also got media in points such as aux and CD. This means you can listen to your own music effortlessly. When the car is put into reverse, you can see that rear parking sensors do come up. This warns you if you're coming close to any objects in the rear when reversing or manoeuvring, and it keeps that amazing exterior look. Just below the radio display, you can see your climate controls. Now, as it's on the centre console, it means the driver or passenger can easily adjust these settings. And an added bonus of the front seat is the heated option. Now, down here you have also got cup holders which can be hidden away, and you've even got media input in your armrest. So showing you what this car looks like now with the cabriolet roof down, it makes this car versatile for winter and summer, and you can just imagine the wind blowing through your hair on them hot summer days. You'll also be able to see the sunlight really does bring out that interior detailing, making the car truly beautiful. So thank you for watching this video on the Volkswagen Eos Sport Cabriolet, which is now available at Motor Match Stafford. Again, this is a Motor Match approved vehicle, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. We also offer RSC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, and you can even get flexible finance packages tailored specifically to you. Also, all Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee, and included in this is a provenance check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.